Welcome to Technology Point. In the last video, we have seen about how to create a table in the Apache hbase. In this video, we will see about how to disable a table. Okay, I have already logged in into the Apache hbase. I will show you how to disable the table in the Apache hbase. To disable a table in the Apache hbase, we need to provide disable and then the table name as EMP or whatever the table that you have in your database. You need to provide that table name. Once you provided the table name, that will be disabled. Once you type the list and already exist command, it will show the table in the drop down. Okay, to check whether it's disabled or not, we need to provide the scan emp scan table name, and once we provided that, it will show the table is disabled. Okay, and to check whether the table is disabled or not, we need to check with using the is underscore disabled, the table name which denotes that the table is disabled or not. Okay, to disable all the tables that is present in the Apache hbase, you need to do a disable underscore all, which will disable all the tables in the Apache hbase. To disable some particular table starting with E, you need to denote E dot and then asterisk symbol, and inside that, if you provide the E dot asterisk symbol, it will calculate all the E starting with the letter E, table E, and it will check for all the letters E, and it will display and it will disable all the letters with, for example, E with EMP and E with E employee and then E with E employee. All the tables will be disabled by using the hbase disable underscore all. This is the command that used to disable all the tables in the Apache hbase. We will be seeing this in the cloud lab now. I have already logged in into the Apache hbase. Now we will list the tables that is available. Now we have like 5 tables. One is emp employee and then ss and then test table. Now what we will do is that we will disable table name called employee. Once I hit enter, it will disable the employee table. I'm going to list the employee list. Once I list that, it will show the employee table. Once I provide the exist employee, the table, it will show that the table is existing in the Apache hbase. Okay, now we will do a scan employee. Once we do a scan employee, okay, the scan employee as a scan said that there is some problem with the scanning employee table. I will show you what is the problem it has occurred. It denotes that there is an error. It denotes clearly that the employee is disabled. Once the employee is disabled, we cannot employee table is disabled, we cannot able to see the data present inside the employee table. Okay, now we will check with another method is underscore disabled. I am going to provide the table name. Once I provided this underscore disabled employee, it is checking whether the condition is true or false. If it's true, it denotes that the employee table is disabled. Okay, and we will check what we are going to disable. We are going to disable all the table, disable underscore all, and then I am going to provide dot and then asterisk symbol, and then once I provide with the dot and then asterisk symbol, it will disable all the tables. Okay, it will ask whether you are going to disable the above 5 tables. Okay, if you provide yes, it will disable all the 5 tables in the Apache HBase. Now I am providing the disable yes to all 5 tables which I have in the Apache HBase database. The tables are successfully disabled. I am going to check whether the tables are disabled or not. Is underscore disabled. Yes, yes, this is the table which I am going to check whether it is disabled or not. If it returns the value true, it denotes that the table SS is disabled. Okay, in this video we have seen about how to disable a particular table, how to disable overall table, and we have checked with the methods whether it's disabled or not, and we have scanned the tables. Once we scan the disabled table, we have checked and found that there is some error. It's stating that the table is disabled. Okay, I hope everyone enjoy this video. Please do comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.